can actually hear him.
I thought.
Yeah.
You like, you know what I'm talking about? Or if you don't know at all, then you're not going to figure it out.
But I remember you from Blue when we played Nextbots.
Oh, that's who you are. Okay, that's who I remember you from. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on my.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
There we go.
Can you hear me now?
Wait, I muted him. Wait, hold on. I need to unmute him. Hold on,
Ready.
I muted him.
I only scream when I get knocked. I only scream when I get knocked.
I have added an Oculus. How do you still troubleshoot? My phone's broken. I can't do it anymore. What is it? Oh, how do you do it?
I can break the sound barrier. Yo, Banana, I can't break the sound barrier, remember? Remember when I broke the sound barrier? I'm in third person mode, I'm not stupid.
He's in third person.
I'm in third person mode.
What did I ask?
You asked when you asked, then you asked.